What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how you guys can continue to get that 50,000 point bonus for American Express. Now guys, if you did not know, American Express, when the gold card first came out, it was at 50,000, but it recently got reduced a few months ago down to 35,000 points. Now, there is a secret method that I want you guys to know about trying to get the 50,000 point bonus, because it's a free 10,000 points and those are things you don't want to miss out on. Now, if you guys use someone's referral link, you'll actually get a 40,000 point bonus instead of the 35,000 one. But I want to go straight into the point in this. If you guys are gonna get the 50,000 point bonus, you have to use a link in the description, or I'll put it in the comments as well. And it might be kind of, I don't know, as a credit card YouTuber, what I should be doing is trying to refer as many people to my own credit card just so I can maximize my points. But on this channel, I really do want to be congruent and transparent as possible. And even though I know I wouldn't be able to get my maximum amount of referrals if I do a video like this, I'd rather have you guys get extra 10,000 points than for me to make these referral bonuses. Now, what you guys have to do to get this 50,000 point is to use the incognito and find a link to the old offer. So the old offer is going to be called like special offer for the American Express 50,000 points. Literally click on the description, make sure it's incognito, and when I last checked, it actually works. So the day of this video, March 25th, 2019, I was still able to find the 50,000 point bonus. Now, for you guys to get that bonus, you just have to spend $2,000 within 3 months and you'll secure the bag. Now guys, sometimes incognito doesn't work for people because, you know, we all use incognito for one reason, and that's to get credit card rewards. So if the incognito browser is not working for you, make sure you look into VPNs as well, where you can actually change your IP address to maybe different locations to trigger this offer. And using that isn't really too hard to figure out. If you're someone who just knows a little bit about credit cards, you can easily do something like that. But if none of those methods work, one of my subscribers actually reported to me that he used a link on Baidu, which is a Chinese or Japanese website. It's called BAIDU. And if you're able to find the American Express referral link on that website, open it through incognito, then you should find the 50,000 point bonus as well. Now guys, this video is not meant to be long, and my gold card keeps doing well on this channel, and I know a lot of people who watch these videos are looking to get this card because I get messages every single day, not just in my Instagram, but also on my YouTube and also on Facebook, that people just signed up for the gold card. And I know a lot of people do not know about the 50,000 point bonus still being existent. I do want to help out as many people as I can on this channel, and if it did help you guys out and you guys were able to get an extra 10 to 15,000 points, please let me know. Now, if you guys aren't able to find that 50,000 point bonus link working, then what you guys can do is just settle for the 40,000 point using someone's referral link. Like I said, use someone's referral link at the bottom of this video. Just choose whoever you want, but definitely help out the community. Now, I hope this video was able to help you guys out. It was very straightforward, and I really appreciate everyone's support up to this point. So thank you guys for staying tuned with me, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh yeah, and may the flex be with you. Whoa!